How is Europe looking this session after that much-awaited Spanish long-term bond auction going through successfully?
Well, certainly a pullback in the numbers after Spain saw longer-term borrowing costs rise at auction. Spain's main benchmark index is underperforming the rest of the market. A big loser there, CaixaBank, a main faller after it saw a massive drop in first quarter profit. Looking elsewhere around the market, industrials are still holding strong after Swedish company SFK's upbeat forecast boosted appetite for the sector. SFK is, of course, the world's biggest bearings maker. It's looking very much like the top riser on the FTSE Eurofirst 300. After forecasting rising demand from the US and Asia, as well as a more stable outlook from Europe going onwards. Now, banks are looking lower as the market worries about Spain's ability to meet deficit targets and really how well the banking sector is going to cope when central bank stimulus is withdrawn.
Kim, also tell us about the single currency. How is it faring and what's the outlook for the euro?
Well, it's looking fairly steady against the dollar after that bond sale saw reasonable demand. But in a nutshell, investors are not convinced about the longer-term fiscal outlook for Spain. Yes, the Treasury issued €2.5 billion in 2- and 10-year bonds, near the top end of the targeted amount, but yields on that all-important 10-year bond were higher. Now, in terms of outlook, many in the market say the single currency will likely edge lower in the medium term, given the problems in Spain, but also with the uncertainty over the outcome of the French presidential elections.